Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to solve linear equations. If you refer to this equation here, you see this x. We are to isolate x to make x the subject of the formula. But in this case, we are not just dealing with other variables, but numbers. So we are to combine the numbers and find the exact value of x. So the idea is also to apply inverse operation to both sides of the equation. For instance, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, power 2 and square root. By looking at the equation on the left, I believe you should see the x you would like to isolate, and then it was first multiplied by 2, then added by 5. So we should start from the last operation that has been done to this equation, or the operation that is the furthest from x. So I believe this plus 5 is the furthest, so we would like to remove the plus 5. So I would like to cancel out plus 5, so I'm minus 5. Remember, the key here is when you do an operation on one side, you must do it on the other. And let's look at the left. Your plus 5 and minus 5 gets eliminated, leaving you just 2x. And on the right, I believe these terms can be combined. They are both numbers, so 15 minus 5 should give you 10. And remember, our aim is to isolate x. So since there is a multiplier 2, we are to perform division by 2. Remember, you are to do it on both sides of the equation. Let's look at the left. The 2 and 2 gets eliminated, leaving you the x. The right-hand side, 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. We are to find the exact value of x, and there are some operation operated on x. So x was first divided by 3, then gets minus by 4. So we are to remove the operation that was last done to the x, which is the minus 4. So the inverse operation of minus is to plus. So we are to plus both sides by 4. I believe you should plus both sides by 4. Looking at your left, your minus 4 and plus 4 gets eliminated, leaving you just the x over 3. And on the right hand side, 2 plus 4 gives you 6. And this x is divided by 3, so we are to perform multiplication to both sides by 3. So you are to multiply 3 to both sides of the equation. On the left, I believe the 3 and 3 gets eliminated, leaving you the x. On the right, 6 times 3 gives you 18. And now you found your x as 18. Moving on, we are to look at another one that involves the parentheses. And we want to isolate x. If you see this x here is first added by 3, and then this whole expression, x plus 3, is being multiplied by 4. So we can remove the 4 first. That will give us the expression inside. So we are to divide both sides by 4. On the left-hand side, I believe the 4 and 4 gets eliminated, and you have x plus 3 inside the parentheses. On the right, you have 20 divided by 4. That gives you 5. Remember, when you are to open up these parentheses, it's okay because no operation is outside the parentheses, so we can directly remove the parentheses now. Last step is for us to remove the plus 3 that was added to x, so we can isolate x. So we minus 3 on both sides. On the left, plus 3 and minus 3 gets eliminated, leaving you just the x, while the right-hand side, I believe that should give you 2. We are to look at another version of solving this question in which you are to open up the parentheses and you are to distribute these 4 to each of the term inside the parentheses. 4 times x should give you 4x, and 4 times 3 should give you plus 12 is equal to 20. Look at the expression on the left. You see the parenthesis is being removed, and now we are to remove the plus 12. It's a bit further away from x, so we are to remove the plus 12 by minus 12 on both sides of the equation. On the left, I believe the plus 12 and minus 12, it gets eliminated, leaving you 4x. On the right, 20 minus 12 gives you 8. We know there is a 4 attached to x, we assume is a multiplication, so we divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 gets eliminated, leaving you the x, and 8 divided by 4 gives you 2. So using either method, you are able to get your answer as 2. Moving on, if you refer to x here, is first added by 3, and that gives you whatever is inside the parentheses, and this single object is first multiplied by 5, then that gives you the numerator, then the last it was divided by 4 and gives you the expression on the left, and we should remove the operation that was last done to the expression, that is the division 4, so we are to multiply both sides by 4. The left is easy. Your 4 and 4 gets eliminated, leaving you the numerator. The right, 25 times 4 gives you 100. Moving on, so let's use the first method we have. We are to remove the 5, the multiplier outside the parentheses, and that just gives us whatever is inside the parentheses. So we are to divide both sides by 5. I believe 5 and 5 gets eliminated, giving you whatever is inside the parentheses. So I can just directly remove the parentheses because there is no operation outside the parentheses. And I believe on the right, 100 divided by 5 should give you 20. The last step, we are to remove the plus 3, so minus 3 on both sides of the equation. On the left, I believe the plus 3 and minus 3 gets eliminated, leaving you the x. And the right, 20 minus 3 should give you 17. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.